When it comes to the construction sector's daily operations, health and safety must be a critical focus. This is true for businesses of all sizes, big and small. Wearable technology that is either currently available or in development holds the potential to help streamline health and safety processes in the complex and dynamic sector. As an industry built on manpower, juggling staffing shortages and constantly changing regulations can feel like a full-time job. With many health and safety procedures slowing down operations, finding solutions that prioritize efficiency is crucial. Wearable Technologies is changing the future of global job site safety. It offers us a means of preventing injury, communicating situational hazards and incident response in real time, and increasing productivity to help project team managers meet tight deadlines. This not only provides critical lines of communication in the moment, but offers businesses the advantage of data collection to future-proof their operations. Using pressure and location sensors, smart boots are able to detect injuries like shock or falls, tracking a worker's location and alerting the necessary help. Hard hats fitted with sensor bands are being used to track workers' vital signs when working with heavy machinery, alerting them to signs of potential fatigue. When paired with heavy machinery sensors, these trackers can also alert equipment operators, offering another layer of protection for your team. Technology like wearable human exoskeletons are also a new wearable technology impacting the sector, designed to help reduce the strain and fatigue associated with heavy lifting and repetitive movements. With many of our most experienced crew in their 40s and 50s, anything you can do to reduce the impact has the potential to keep your experienced team members around longer. From smart hard hats and watches to monitors, boots and augmented reality glasses, exoskeletons and wearable sensors, adapting wearable technology has the potential to save lives. In fact, companies like Reactech are using wearable technology along with specialized app Razor to monitor potential risks and safety issues by letting workers know when they need to take a break from the tools. Though the adoption of wearable technology within the construction sector in New Zealand is currently slow, globally 83% of contractors believe that this technology would improve on site safety. Therefore, the greatest opportunity for change lies with your greatest asset, people. By opening up conversations with your staff and their expectations and feeling safe and secure on site, you can partner with them to bring about sustainable change and remove hidden stresses. Be sure to raise your team's awareness around how digital technology is already at work through use of smartphones, smartwatches and fitness trackers. A number of wearables exist solely for the construction industry, such as wristbands that allow hands-free gesture control without downing tools, or GPS-fitted safety vests worn to track the movements of workers in hazardous areas. Understanding how these tools can support your team both by reducing injury and boosting morale will help them seem less foreign. Start by chatting to other professionals in your sector and researching your areas of interest. To keep up to date with the new developments, subscribe to magazines like Wired and other technology-centered media. Or for a taste of where we're headed, check out Hilti's Exo 01 wearable exoskeleton.